Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. You're here with Men in Tech. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys on how you can identify if you are on a GPT or an MBR partition disk. So to get to know this, mostly people want to reinstall Windows on their PC, but they do not know if they are using the GPT type of disk or the MBR partition type of disk. And today this video will help you to identify it for free without any third-party application or software. So to get started, you need to hit Windows key R on your keyboard and then you type in the diskmgmt.msc. So diskmgmt.msc, and then you hit enter on your keyboard. It opens up an interface for you showing the drives connected to your PC right now. So as you can see, this is my local disk C, and this disk 1 is an external drive connected to my PC. So what we are going to do next is I would select this part of my disk C because that is what I want to know if it is an MBR or a GPT partition type of disk. So I'll right click right here and then I go to properties. So when I visit properties, I go to the volume section, and as you can see right here, the partition style, it shows that my disk is GPT. So if you are on MBR, when you do this same process and you come to this tab, it shows over there that you are using the MBR. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I update my new videos. Thank you and see you in the next one. Have a good day.